Welcome to Off Solutions LLC, your dependable partner for all your dumpster rental needs in Bowie, Texas. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a major construction project, or need to clear out clutter, we have the perfect sized dumpster. We've covered you, from small home cleanouts to large commercial projects. Our dumpsters are perfect for a wide range of materials, from construction debris to household junk, ensuring a clean and safe work environment. Our team is dedicated to providing friendly, efficient service and the most affordable prices. We'll remove the dumpster once your project is complete, leaving your space clean and tidy. We guarantee punctual delivery and careful placement to protect your property. We're committed to environmental responsibility, ensuring that waste is disposed of in the most eco-friendly manner. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from satisfied customers who appreciate our reliability and excellent service. Choose Off Solutions LLC for a stress-free, reliable dumpster rental experience that supports your project's success. Booking is simple and hassle-free. Just a few clicks on our website at www.roswaste.com. Dumpster rental Bowie TX, or a quick call at 940-531-8150, and you're all set. Off Solutions LLC, your Bowie, Texas dumpster rental experts. Visit or call us today to make your next project a breeze.